Now, in addition to stretching out the lower back muscles, as you've just seen, it's also equally important to stretch out the muscles in your gluteal region, what we call the buttocks, as well as stretching out the muscles in the back of your thigh, what we call the hamstring muscles. Now, the way to stretch out your buttocks muscles is, again, laying on your back. This time you're going to start by putting your feet on the table or the bed or the couch that you're laying on with your knees bent. We call this the hook line position, and this is going to be the starting position for a lot of stretches you're going to see in the future. What we do next is we put our right ankle on our left knee, use both hands to grab our right knee, and pull our right knee towards our left shoulder. So we're pulling our thigh diagonally across our chest. Again, letting our arms do all the work, keeping our leg as relaxed as possible. You hold this stretch for 30 seconds, and then you switch and do the other side. The second muscle we want to stretch out is a deeper muscle in the buttocks region. You again start in the hook line position. You again put your right ankle on top of your left knee. This time you're going to grab the back of your left thigh with both hands. Your left arm going around the outside of your leg, your right arm going in between both legs. And then you pull your left thigh towards your chest, bringing your right leg with you. And again, you hold for 30 seconds, and then switch to the other side. Now, the next muscle we want to stretch is the muscle called the hamstring muscle. This is the muscle in the back of your thigh. The hamstring is actually a group of muscles, and we're not going to get any more specific than that for now, but just the important point to keep in mind is that tight muscles in the back of your leg are very commonly directly associated with back pain. And the most common muscle for people to lose flexibility is in their hamstring group. So it's very important to stretch out these hamstring muscles as often as you can. Now, most people will try and stretch out their hamstring muscles by standing up and bending over to try and touch their toes. This is the incorrect way to do it. There's two reasons why. Number one, when you bend over to touch your toes, you're putting a lot of pressure on your lower back and the discs in your lower back, and that can lead to further injury. Number two, when you bend over to touch your toes, you're actually tightening up the exact muscle you want to stretch, which is your hamstring muscle. So you're defeating yourself. The best way to stretch out your hamstring muscle to ease the tension on your lower back, improve your posture, and prevent tightening of the muscle you're trying to stretch is to lie on your back, and you can use some sort of rope or belt or towel. You can take your bath towel, you can take an old belt, you can take a thick piece of rope. And all you want to do is loop that rope or belt around the bottom of your foot, lie down, and again letting your arms do all the work. You're just going to pull the rope up and use that as a lever to pull your leg up with you. And you want to just let your arms and the rope hold your leg steady for 15 to 30 seconds, feeling a good pull in the back of the thigh without feeling any burning pain. And once you've held that leg for 30 seconds, you stretch the other leg out for an equal length of time. Please remember that the stretches we've shown you today are not designed to cure a problem on their own. Stretches are simply a means to speed a recovery process if a person has an injury, or help prevent injury if you don't have an injury yet. If you do have any symptoms or suspect you might have an injury anywhere in your body, please consult a physician before you start the stretches on your own. If you do have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at 410-256-8511. You can also email us at pabosh@potomacpain-center.com, or you can visit our website at www.potomacpain-center.com. Thank you.